hope you guys are all doing well and are healthy and happy. I'm so happy you guys have clicked on this video and visited my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you have been subscribed to my channel, then welcome back. As you guys can tell, we are doing a huge unboxing and it's such a beauty. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. In this video, I'm going to share my experience with you guys at Chanel and show you guys some of the ready-wear pieces that I've tried on and show you guys how they packed up the bag and gave it to me. And also make sure to stay tuned to see me try the bag on and show you guys how you can wear it, how it looks on, where the bag sits, and all the different ways that you can carry the bag. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into our amazing, huge, massive unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as always, I'm working really hard to make sure you guys get the full unboxing experience. Let's jump right in. Okay guys, welcome back. So let's talk about this beauty that you just saw. It's probably going to take up all of the space, and that's totally fine because she deserves it. This is my new Deauville. So let's talk about the name. Deauville is a resort on a coastal line in France. Miss Gabrielle did have a boutique there, so I believe they probably named it after that. And it is very appropriate because when I look at this bag, I look at it as a everyday bag, but also I look at it as a travel bag and a weekend bag as well. It's honestly great for anything. And very easy to carry. It does have some weight on it because of the material. It's a mixed fabric material. It's a canvas material, I would say a super thick canvas material. So since we've already jumped into talking about the material, let's go ahead and talk about all the details on the bag like we always do. And they have beautiful straps. They're nicely made leather straps. And they have a beautiful long shoulder strap as well. I'm not a big fan of this part of the strap. I know it's made for it to be comfortable, but I'm not sure how comfortable it really is after trying it on, but it's not too bad. I just don't like that it's super flimsy. I think they could have done a better job on that part of the strap. And then there's fabric going all around. It has a beautiful silver hardware going all around. Also over here, silver hardware, it says Chanel. 31 Rue Cambon over here. I'm not sure if it is focusing or not, but it's a beautiful, beautiful classic piece. When we're talking about detail, it also has amazing straps, that you can pull in to the bag. If let's say you wanted to make it just a handle bag, you can pull them in like so, very easy, because it has like a little place that you can pull it from. And on this little circle metal here is a Chanel sign, which is so beautiful and classy. And then if you don't mind, they do kind of dangle inside. I personally don't mind, it's okay. And then it gives you a nice clean look to just hold it from the top handle. Now, another beautiful thing that I think this bag has is when you pull the shoulder straps out, the top handles kind of flop in and they nicely lay in, so they're not just sticking out, so that when you do put it on your shoulder, so you don't get jabbed with the handles under your arm. As you guys can tell, this shopping tote and DeVille is completely different regular ones, which have a print going around, and this one actually has imitation pearls, and it says Chanel with the Chanel logo and Paris on the bottom, and it's all imitation pearls, so I don't necessarily worry. Although at first when I was getting the bag, I was a little worried, and I was concerned that, you know, if it falls then I have to worry about it, it just won't look nice. And I did want something that's durable and long lasting, and I was hoping that this would be it. But they did let me know that if anything were to happen to the pearls, they would definitely be able to take care of it and fix it for me, which was really good to know. It gives you a peace of mind that you can enjoy this bag and not worry about anything happening without it being able to be fixed. Another beautiful detail that I like is that there's a different cloth going around the top part of the bag, separating it and just giving it a beautiful, nice cut. And I love the stitching. It is all black, so it's not, which makes it look very chic and beautiful, and it doesn't pop out. So another beautiful detail, this bag, I feel like it's not a classic, but it is kind of a classic when it comes down to their shopping bags. So it's been around for a while. And what I love is that this bag all around is classic, because it has beautiful, beautiful touches everywhere with the Chanel logo, with the Chanel writing, and yet again over here on this clasp area here, it says Chanel. I don't know if you guys can tell, there you go. And I love that it has a clasp, so it will close. We don't really have too many pockets in here, and I know a lot of the shopping bags, they don't. So I'm really considering getting a organizer. If any of you guys are aware of any good companies that are selling big bag organizers, please comment down below. I would definitely love to get your feedback on that and see if I can find a good company to buy from. Over here you have the Chanel logo there, and then just a zip pocket. And like I said, the details are really, really amazing. The zipper even has the Chanel logo, and on the back it says Chanel. So you have Chanel, 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 Chanel everywhere on this bag. They did a great job. And then there's like a side pocket here, which is kind of cool, I realized, because I can put my son's water there and it won't kind of float around everywhere in the bag. But again, I will need a organizer in this bag for sure, because things will just kind of go everywhere, I feel like, if I don't get an organizer. And then you have two open pockets right here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I did zoom in to the bag when I did the unboxing, so you will kind of see inside as well. And it has a nice little strap to hold on to your keys so that you don't lose it, because it's a big bag. So I've been telling you guys all the details. Let's talk about the pros. The pros is that it's black color. They actually have many different colors. Each season they come out with different colors. This season's they came out with blue color that kind of looked like a denim look when it's on a canvas. They had nude, ivory, I would say, and also for this same style they had ivory color. And I just felt like if I were to get ivory with a toddler, and if I want to use it on a daily basis, or even let's say travel, it's just not the most practical. I would see how that's like kind of okay for the beach or the summertime, but I just wanted to get something that I can use year round, and black color definitely goes a long way. It's super chic, beautiful, and it'll go with everything. Although I do love my hardware being gold. This is silver hardware, but I still don't mind it, because like I said, it's still chic, very classy piece, and it will go a long way. So the cons about this is that It is slightly heavy, and I am a little worried if I were to put a organizer in there, how much the weight would be. So that's why I'm really looking for an organizer that would not make a difference in regards to weight when it comes down to that. And it does have a nice fabric, so even if anything I feel like kind of spills, maybe you can get it washed at Chanel. I'm not sure, so don't take me up on that. But other than that, I don't know if it has any other cons besides the fact that I did want the print, but for the bag to be all black, but they didn't have that option. But to be honest, now at this point, I'm really in love with the pearls. I'm really in love with the pearls. It's such a classic. So chic. It really elevates your outfit. Even if you're wearing chill outfit, it will go. You can totally take this out in the night. Let's say if you're at the beach, you're on a vacation, or you're having a day at the beach, you can elevate this to nighttime and wear it with something, or just go with your beach outfit to a restaurant. Why not, right? It's just so beautiful. Honestly, I didn't want to get the Deauvilles. I just felt like they were a little pricey compared to other brands and shopping totes. This one also, when we talk about price, it's $3,500, and it's also because of the imitation pearls and the style of it. It has the strap, and it is the size large. The other ones kind of go roughly around $3,000, sometimes $2,500, so you would have to check on that. I'll try to kind of put in pictures of the different styles right now as well, of the Deauville up online. And my other choice was the Dior. The Dior book tote, the large one. Oh my goodness. It's such a beautiful piece, that one as well. It's like an artwork piece, but the only thing about that one I did not like was that it was so heavy, that's one. And the strap was just not as versatile when it came down to putting it on your shoulder. It just kind of jabs underneath your arm, and I kind of felt like my arm was just staying like this because the bag itself just felt really stiff. So the great thing about this, another pro on this, is that it's just very movable. So the only con is the fact that, you know, it has pearls. I'm gonna have to be careful, and the fact that it does feel a little heavy, but like I said, a lot of the other shopping bags as well feel a little heavy, so you just cannot load it up. Other than that, let me see, I can't really think of anything. I'm hoping it doesn't collect too much dust because it is black, but it is just such a beauty. Can't wait to wear it. I've actually been waiting to unbox this, so yeah, that's how much I love you guys to be able to wear it. I just really wanted you guys to get the same experience as me, like seeing it for the first time without it being touched or worn, and unboxing it. So yeah, this is really exciting, and I'm so happy to share this with you guys. And I'll be literally wearing this on vacations, weekend getaways, especially right now, and I'll be wearing it almost every day, and I feel like I'll be wearing it more than my other bags, so I'm a little concerned about that. But overall, that's that. Let's go ahead and jump into the clip where I show you guys how I wore it and how it looks on.
Imagine time, pleasing and bright. We can climb the sky, even if it doesn't right. Have we ever known ourselves before the sun, the sun-flashed evening? I've never heard so tender ways. Every moment feels like paradise, paradise. Never feels like nada. Never feels like nada. Never feels like nada. Never feels like nada. How to know?
Okay guys, so that is all for now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was very informative and you guys got an idea of everything about this bag, and I hope it will help you guys if you guys want to purchase this bag or something similar like this, or are trying to make a decision between other shopping totes. and want to kind of get an idea what would be the best choice. Once again, thank you so much for clicking on my channel and on this video. If you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. If you have already been subscribed, thank you so much for all the love that you guys continuously give me. It really means a lot. If you can go ahead and give me a thumbs up for this video if you enjoyed it. The algorithm loves it, and so do I. And I will see you guys soon for more lovely videos. And also check back in. I will be doing a haul video, and that one has been way overdue. Honestly, I've been trying my best to upload videos as fast as possible, but with the toddler it's just not possible. But anyways, I will be trying my best to put out more videos, and I hope to see you guys soon. Thank you guys so much. Bye bye. Even if it's doesn't right.